Well, here's the video which I told that I will make. That is my helmet, GoPro and microphone setup, wireless. So first and foremost, you need a helmet mount. I recommend this helmet mount from this company called as Moto Vibe. So they have this helmet mount which is designed for every helmet out there. I have this SMK Typhoon for this helmet mount. It differs for each and every brand out there. So I will leave down the links for their website. You can go and shop for your helmet. It's very simple, and do not worry that it will fall from the weight. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, yeah, it attaches via 3M tape. Okay, do not use it for a day. It has to set. After that, you can use it for your action cam. How do I connect it? It's as simple as that. I'll just stick it here, and that's how I connect it. So when you buy this helmet mount, they also give this attachment, right? Action cam attachment. So this one, this part, this magnetic thing, it comes with the DJI action cam. Okay, this is not where you have to buy separately. If you buy non-adventure combo, you will get one. If you buy adventure combo, you will get two of these. Okay, so one you have to attach here, and whenever you want to attach or detach, you just have to place it here. It will attach. Now let's come to the microphone part. How do I connect microphone? Before showing that, I will show you how do I use microphone inside my helmet. That is the big question. To answer that question, what I have done is, I don't know whether you guys can see or not. Yes, can you see this DJI? Okay, what I have done is that near this chin area inside, I have used a 3M tape. Guys, you need to have 3M tape. 3M tape is life savior. Without 3M tape, you cannot live in a house. This is very much important. I will even give the links for this. This is very much strong. It's so strong that you cannot even remove this. Even if I pull it so hard, it will not come off. Okay, 3M tape is life savior. You have to buy from 3M company only. Do not buy local double-sided tape. It will fall off. Trust me. 3M is the best brand. So let's come to this one. You may be wondering, what is this DJI thing that I have sticked here? When you buy the DJI action cam, DJI microphone, this is the microphone. So for each microphone, it comes with the magnet. This magnet. I have attached 3M tape to one side and sticked it here. Okay. Why I did that is because this attaches via magnet. Okay, it will not fall off. So if it is sticked via a 3M tape, I can easily attach and detach by the magnet. It's as simple as that. So for one microphone I have done that. So that is why this microphone has that magnet and this one doesn't. So whenever I go for the rides, what I will do is that take this microphone and stick it here. Okay, see, it is just sitting there. It will not come off. Even if I shake the helmet, it will not come off. It will be strong. I mean, even if it is raining, you don't have to worry about getting wet or anything. Okay, it is safe and secure, and your chin will come here. It will not even obstruct your chin. It will not even touch you. It's that simple. Now let's talk about the wireless connection. Let me open my let me start up my DJI action cam. Yeah, this one you are seeing I have applied temper glass and it did not stick well. That one. Do not worry that the action cam has some problem, screen problem, nothing like that. Oh yeah, my bad. I have to add the battery to it. And many people have this question, how to open the battery compartment in DJI action cam. Even I had this question. It's very simple. The arrow mark you are seeing, you just have to press it and push upwards, and then the battery compartment will open. There is a slot to insert the micro SD card also. I have ordered the micro SD card slot. Micro SD card. I will add it later. Until then, it's fine. It has 47 GB internal storage. Yeah. Again, to close it, you just have to push it. You should not be seeing any red line. If you're seeing the red line means then it's dangerous because the water will go inside and it will damage the camera. Okay, you should not be seeing any red line. So now I have inserted the battery. I will switch it on. Let me show you how to connect the DJI microphone. So now let's assume that you just bought the DJI microphone. Okay, what will happen is that these two microphones will be connected to the receiver. These two are transmitters. So once you take this out, it will show the green line. Green line in the sense it is connected to the receiver here. Okay, we don't want that. We are not using this at all. That is the beauty. So when you're not using this will become the receiver. The action cam itself will become the receiver. So this will be the transmitter, this will be the direct receiver. You don't need this mediator. You do not need this mediator. So that's why what we'll do is that press and hold this orange button, left side, press and hold this one. Now the blue light will come up. Okay, blue line is coming up and it already got connected because it remembers my microphone. But let me show you where that setting will be. When you do it for the first time, you have to go to the wireless mic and then there'll be an option to connect the microphone. It will automatically connect. Once it is in the pairing mode, it will be blinking. If it is blinking, then it is in the pairing mode, and if you press your microphone here, it will connect. And the best part is you can connect two microphones to one action cam. So two people, if you're doing a podcast or some interview, you can attach two microphones to the DJI action cam. So it's that simple. And whatever I'm speaking, you are seeing these green lines, right? See, even in the home screen, you are seeing this green line going up and down. When I'm talking, that is the confirmation that microphone got connected. If you do not connect the microphone, this green line you will not see it. Okay, you will not see that green line. It will record from the action cam microphone itself. But to get the confirmation that external microphone connected, this green line is a confirmation. And there is an option called as auto power off. So once you go to the microphone, a wireless mic, auto power off feature you're seeing, right? If you turn off the mic, if you turn off the action cam, okay, this microphone will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes it will automatically turn off. See, now the light is blinking because it is not connected to anything, right? That is why light is blinking. So after 15 minutes it will auto turn off. You don't have to worry about losing the battery or anything. So now let's come to the attaching it to the helmet. So inside the DJI microphone box itself, you will get one muffler. Okay, because I want to use this muffler along with the microphone. When it's too windy, I do not want that wind noise. So I attach this muffler and I'll just stick it here. It's as simple as that. Okay, and then you can do the connection. Connection is nothing. You just have to stick it. Sorry, wrong direction. Yes. Yep, the connection is done. No wires, nothing. Everything is done peacefully. And you just have to record it, turn off the recording, and even to turn off the microphone if you really want to turn off the microphone permanently, because if you think that it will lose the battery, you can even do that. Just hold this for 3 seconds, I think. Yeah, that's it. It turned off. So it is not losing the battery. And even if you think that it is losing the battery, you can charge it very quickly from the charger. This whole thing is a battery pack. Okay, it will charge wirelessly. That's it. You will get like so many hours of recording. You don't have to worry about the charge or anything. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Subscribe if this video is helpful for you.